Hi, my name's Katiraee and I'm a system strategist. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to redirect leads to a thank you page after they inquire in Dubsado. So having a thank you page on your website to send people to is really helpful because the point at which they're booking a call or filling out a form, they can feel a bit vulnerable and not sure that they made the right decision. So at that point, having a thank you page can help reassure them that they did make the right decision, that you are someone that they can trust, and you can lay out clear expectations of what's coming next, like what are the steps that follow now that they've filled out the form or booked the call, so that they feel a little bit, less stressed and kind of know what to expect moving forward. So in Dubsado, you can add thank you pages to your scheduler or to your lead capture form. So we're going to go through those one by one. So in your scheduler, you're going to go to the advanced settings and you're simply going to scroll down here and add a redirect URL here. Make sure you add the HTTPS or HTTP depending on your website, because Dubsado won't just recognize a www, right? So add that there. That's how you would do it for a consultation call. So as soon as they book the call, maybe there's a form attached, maybe there's not, but regardless, as soon as they book, they go to this page. So inside of forms, this applies to lead captures. You can also do it for public proposals. So in the lead capture, you're going to come here, go to form settings, add the redirect URL right there, make sure you save, and that would be it. And let's look at proposals. If it's a public proposal, if you toggle this on, again, that redirect URL shows up there because public proposals are kind of think of as a combination of a lead capture and a proposal kind of all in one. So that's there. But for regular proposals where you're just sending the client a particular link for them, so not public, it wouldn't work. And that's basically how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. So let's look at what a thank you page can have. So you can see this is a sample page that I have here. So, just a quick message thanking them for reaching out and kind of what to expect. They're going to get an email with a link, all of that. In this video, I kind of go through that as well. And I kind of explain what to expect during the call that they're going to have with me. So you can see it's pretty short. It's 54 seconds long, just setting the expectation for that call so that they feel a little bit reassured and not nervous that this is going to be like a hard sell or a pitch or something like that. So this is a sample page, like I said. So put a testimonial, kind of like what to expect, step 1, step 2, step 3. You can rename these as you like, but kind of like what to expect between now and maybe even signing up to be your client. Another testimonial and some FAQs. Obviously, you can make this however you want. I think this video is really helpful. I've gotten feedback on that video before that it really helped, that it made things clear, that people really liked it, it's to the point. So these are the kinds of things that you can incorporate into a thank you page. I use Squarespace, and you can see that this is not a linked page. It's not in my main navigation. It's hidden. I even hide it from SEO. I don't want it showing up in search results. But it's there, it's on my website. So only the people who have a direct link to this page can find this page or see this page. So you can do this with Squarespace, Showit, WordPress. All platforms will have the same option. So just make it a not linked page. And like I said, you may want to hide it from SEO searches as well. And that's it. That's basically how you do this. Create the page, add it to your scheduler, add it to your lead capture form or public proposal, and you're ready to go. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.